Okay, hello everyone. So for today we're going to learn about 2.4, the main organ of photosynthesis. The main organ for photosynthesis is of course a leaf, daun. So what is photosynthesis? Photosynthesis is a process where where the plants produce its own food through the process of photosynthesis. So photosynthesis is a process which needs light. Okay, it needs light and water to produce glucose. So glucose, this is we consider it as a food for plant. So before that, we're going to look at the internal structure of a leaf, the adaptations of internal structure of a leaf for photosynthesis. So here we can see on page 41 you can see here the layer by layer of leaf. We can dissect, we can look it one by one. So here's the numbering here: number 1, 2, 2A, 2B, and 3. Okay, number 1 and 3 meaning upper and lower epidermis. So upper and lower epidermis is a transparent waxy cuticle. Okay, here in this video I want to just a little bit of English sentence, how in English they describe the structure. Okay, ini kalau teacher tidak silap adjective. Okay, dalam English dia ada satu grammar, dia ada satu istilah grammar yang kita panggil dia adjective. Adjective ni macam kata sifat. Kata sifat adjective. Okay, why I want to share you this is so that you will be easy to understand the sentence, or it will be easier for you to write your answers. Okay, contoh macam ni, adjective ni bila kita mau bagi tahu this is a square and then this is okay. Bila cikgu mau explain ni square, bila teacher mau explain this square, I will say it as a green square shaped box. Green square shaped box. Okay, I want to explain about the box, tapi dalam ayat di depan tu I already give you the hint of how it looks, what the color of the box. Boleh faham tak? A green square shaped box. Teacher tidak akan cakap the box. I will directly explain to you a green square shaped box. Same goes to each time in biology. It is important to give the pictures of the prescription, the gambaran apa yang kamu nampak. So in this sentence you can see, let's say we want to talk about the upper epidermis and lower epidermis. You can see the word here, transparent waxy cuticle on upper layer and lower epidermis. Epi ni permukaan kan, teacher already told you. Epi means surface. So daun ni paling atas, even in the naked eyes, dengan mata kasar pun kita boleh nampak permukaan daun tu dia berkilat. That is a cuticle, permukaan daun. It's a waxy and it's transparent. Okay, transparent. So transparent. So they put it in a one sentence, a transparent waxy cuticle. Boleh faham tak apa yang teacher mau explain? Maksudnya, whenever you write your answer, it already give you the information about the condition of the upper and lower epidermis. Macam tu. Okay, so the upper epidermis and lower epidermis it has a transparent waxy cuticle. Okay, so that it's easy for the sunlight. It allows the sunlight to penetrate the upper lower epidermis into the palisade mesophyll. Okay, where is the palisade mesophyll? Palisade mesophyll is right under the upper epidermis. Palisade ni it pack chloroplast tersusun. It closely pack, tersusun rapat. Okay, why it need to be packed? Kenapa dia perlu rapat? It enables the sunlight to be absorbed at maximum rate. Maximum rate. Dia kena rapat semua. Packed. P-A-C-K-E-D. Okay, packed with chloroplast so that the sunlight can be absorbed at the maximum rate. And then, so chloroplast dengan chlorophyll, it's not the same thing with the different name. Dia bukan benda yang sama tapi apa orang bilang benda yang sama tapi ada dua nama yang berbeza. It's actually two different things. Chloroplast lain, chlorophyll lain. Nanti cikgu akan I will show you how differentiate it can be. Okay, and then up below the after palisade mesophyll, we can find a spongy mesophyll. Spongy dengan palisade mesophyll ni, how the arrangement is different. Arrangement of the mesophyll. Kalau palisade, ingat saja tadi pack, rapat-rapat. Kalau spongy mesophyll pula, it contain lesser amount, and then in it's you can see here, dia macam loosely arranged, loosely arranged. Kalau tadi palisade dia pack, kalau dalam spongy ni pun nama dia pun kalau can help you to understand, it loosely arranged. Why it need to be loosely arranged? Kalau tadi palisade, it must be packed sebab to enable sunlight to be absorbed at maximum rate. Tapi kalau spongy mesophyll, so that it can gives a air space. Bila ada longgar, loosely, dia ada rongga-rongga, barulah dia ada air space. Air space ni ruang udara. Okay, bila ada ruang udara, ada ruang. Ruang spaces means it can allow efficient gases exchange during photosynthesis. So photosynthesis is not just about sunlight and water. Okay, it also needs photosynthesis also needs carbon dioxide, and it release oxygen as a byproduct. Okay, jadi maksudnya it needs to be loosely packed sebab senang nanti carbon dioxide to enter, and then senang nanti oxygen to be released. Itulah maksudnya gases exchange. And in the middle here, you can see number 4, ada red and blue here. That is a vascular bundles. Bundle ni, bundle lah segenggam macam tu. Okay, that is bundles. Vascular means transport for plants. Vascular, of course, vascular ni dia mesti about xylem and phloem. Xylem again to transport water. Okay, to transport water and mineral salts from where to where? From root to the leaf, and then phloem food. Okay, to transport sucrose. Sucrose can be also called as glucose, produced by photosynthesis from the leaf to all parts of the plants. Okay. Whenever you want to explain about xylem and phloem, of course you can you need to mention from where to where. Okay, like you when you talk about xylem, you said it's to transport water and mineral salts, but it's not complete enough. You need to make it a complete sentence where the xylem is to transport water and mineral salts absorbed from roots to the leaf. Macam tu. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to this chloroplast structure. So, what is chloroplast? What is chlorophyll? So here we can see This is a chloroplast. Chloroplast ni as a whole, satu besar macam ni, and it contains the chlorophyll. Inside the chloroplast we have a chlorophyll. Tapi sebenarnya dia ada lagi structure dia tersendiri. It has its own structure where we can find, okay, you can see here thylakoid yang satu ni. Okay, teacher draw di sini. This is thylakoid. Tapi bila banyak-banyak thylakoid bersusun, we call it as granum. Okay, and then attach yang sambung antara granum dengan thylakoid dengan thylakoid yang lain, we call it as lamella, and then inner membrane, outer membrane. Okay, you can see here also, tengok dia punya again adjective macam yang teacher explain tadi, penerangan. What is thylakoid? Thylakoid is dia tidak bagi tahu sex. Sex ni kantung kantung. Okay, this shape sac. Dia bagi tahu kantung tu, dia bagi tahu precisely, tepat-tepat. This ni kamu tahu kan, this ni macam CD, this shape bentuk this, maksudnya kantung yang berbentuk this. This shape sacs containing chlorophyll, maksudnya dalam thylakoid ni lah ada chlorophyll. Okay, dalam chlorophyll tu we have a pigment. Again, chlorophyll itu yang trap sunlight, absorb sunlight. Dua-dua terms ni kamu boleh guna. You can use it ada chlorophyll to trap the sunlight, chlorophyll is to absorb the sunlight, boleh. Okay, and then the important part here, you can see light dependent reaction occurs in the thylakoid. Light dependent ni bergantung pada saya. Maksudnya light dependent reaction ni adalah tindak balas yang memerlukan cahaya, occurs in the thylakoid. Okay, jadi logically, sebab dalam thylakoid ada chlorophyll, sebab itu dia ada berlakunya light dependent reaction. Okay, next we have granum. Granum tadi apabila thylakoid tu dia bersusun. Okay, this shape stack of thylakoids. Stack ni susunan lah, maksudnya susunan yang kita susun secara menegak macam tu, itu kita maksudkan dia stack. Okay, jadi granum ni sebenarnya adalah dia mau, bila thylakoid tu sudah banyak, kita tidak panggil dia thylakoids, we call it as granum. Okay, why it needs to be stacked? Kenapa dia perlu bersusun tinggi-tinggi macam tu? To increase the surface area for optimal photosynthesis. Okay, jadi and then we have stroma. Stroma ni adalah ruang kosong. Okay, ruang kosong dalam chloroplast tu. You look here. Again, dia punya cara dia menerangkan. Okay, cara dia menerangkan, dia bagi precisely tell you stroma is colorless fluid surrounding granum. Okay, surrounding granum in the chloroplast. Maksudnya, okay, ini thylakoids. Bila bersusun-susun, ini adalah granum. Lepas tu ini ada lagi thylakoids bersusun-susun. Okay, ini granum. Jadi surrounding. Okay. So surrounding here yang cikgu colorkan warna blue color, with the blue color ni is actually it's colorless lah. It's colorless fluid. Stroma is actually a fluid. Okay, dia bukan spaces yang kosong. Stroma is a colorless fluid surrounding granum in the chloroplast. So, kalau thylakoid, it's a light dependent reaction occurs there. In the stroma, it is the site for light independent. Independent ni dia tidak perlu lights. Dia tidak perlukan cahaya. Okay, apa maksud light independent reaction? It's to produce glucose. Nanti kita akan pergi to next video. I will explain to you about what is light dependent reaction and light independent reaction. Boleh? Okay, thank you very much. Kalau ada apa-apa soalan, boleh tanya teacher.